Well, I'm here at a pioneer cemetery in the Dalles, Oregon. I think the dates on here are 1860 to 1964. It's pretty interesting. Caleb Brooks, 75 years. And here's Sarah S., wife of Caleb Brooks, died in 1889. Sylvanus C.A., son of Caleb and Sarah Brooks, died 1876, 20 years old. So they're cleaning up the cemetery and leaving the wildflowers. So that's cool. That's an old one. And there is a Kelly Avenue in the Dalles. I wonder if it's named after this guy. Here's an old one. It looks like it says James S. Tivis. Died 1860. Born 1839. Here's a baby. Mary M., daughter of D.S. and C.E. Kinsey. Died 1879, 1 year. In memory of Reverend Ezra Fisher, died 1874. Looks like he was 74 years old. Ella P. Hegg, 1880. So, wow, she's only 12 years old. There's some other graves right here by her. Interesting. Hester A., beloved wife of John Moran, born in the state of New York, 1833, died 1878, gone but not forgotten. And it's a pretty large one. Huh. Here's another nice one. Wow. Moran, born 1858, died 1860 something. So that is one of their kids. Ella Leonore Moran. Thomas A., son of W.H. and M.E. Taylor, died 1882, age 1 year. Oh. Well, somewhere here is infant triplets. I saw on the sign. Mary Taylor, died 1900, age 54 years. And over here, okay, here's a newer one, 1942 and 1950, Peters. Wilson, they died in 1873 and 1913. And daughter Elizabeth. Oh, this is newer, 1921 to 2015. Right next to, oh, what does that say? Something of Oregon. 1955, the father died. Content Elton, the mother, died in 1969. The last name is Wilson. Oh. Bertha M. Jensen, born 1883, died 1895, 12 years old. These are some kids over here. Lockwood. James, son of C.M. and L.J. Lockwood, 1 year old, 1869. And in memory of Rachel, died 1866, 3 years old. Oh, wow. Velma V., daughter of J.L. and M.J. Robison. She was just 4 years old. 1881. Idula M., daughter of A. and S.J. Baltimore. Died 1882, age 16 years. Aww.
I had an interesting time at this old pioneer cemetery, and this is a list of all the people that are buried here. I have driven by this place often and always wanted to stop. These old cemeteries are so interesting. Join me in these videos to go on some treasure hunting at our family's ranch. And if you haven't yet, please consider subscribing and smash that like button. Thank you so much for watching.